Another double under tutorial. I've done a lot of these in the past, all right? But I promise you, this one is gonna be another banger, all right? Guys, if you're looking to learn how to do multiple double unders, this is the video for you, okay? Now in the past, I've done so many types of kind of drills, techniques, everything to get you started with this move. But a lot of people out there kind of fall short of trying to do 5 or 10 or 15 in a row. And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you some killer angles to share how the wrist and the feet work, the timing, the sync up. And that is what double unders is all about. If you guys do this move correctly and you learn to do it the kind of style I do it, you'll be able to do it with your eyes closed. I promise you, it'll be so easy. It'll be feeling like a basic bounce by the end of this video, hopefully. Today I'll be using the Nova rope, but hit the links down below. We've got a massive sale online, up to 50% off. I'm also gonna be using the heavy duty XL rush mat. These are also on sale as well, peeps. So we're gonna get straight into this video. The kind of angles and the setup, everything I've got in my mind right now, it feels like it's gonna be a really good way to learn this, right? I'm gonna put on some nice music. All I want you guys to do is just visually see how my wrists work and how my feet work, especially taking note of how I land on my feet and the kind of slight pauses and the kind of small nuances in how to get this done the correct way, all right? Make sure you look after your knees, your body, and just make it really easy and effortless for you, okay? This move is really the one that's gonna help you burn a ton of calories, guys, keep the heart rate up, and in my opinion, is pound for pound the best move to learn with your jump rope, especially when you're first starting out. All right, so that was quite a long intro. If you haven't copped yourself a mat, by the way, as well, you need to get involved. This is the thing that you need to look after your joints, look after your ropes, and also allows you to kind of get a good feel with the floor. It's been a while since I used this bad boy, man. Back in the days of the old HQ, big up my OG followers, you remember this, but now we've just got a massive mat, so I'm kind of lucky. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up a secondary angle on my feet. This camera angle is gonna go on my wrists. The goal is for you to see how the wrists move, how the feet react with the floor, the timing of my jumps, when's the best, most optimum time to jump, and you're gonna see it's gonna happen at very specific moments, and it's gonna be consistent, and that's the main thing. If you can keep it consistent, keep the heights of the jumps consistent, keep the wrist speed and the timing of the wrist snap, the double under or the multiple double under, it's really and truly kind of easy when you kind of get it to click in your head and in your body. All right, family, welcome back to the commentary. So this idea of video kind of makes sense in my head, and I'm hoping the visuals will also make sense in your head, all right? So like basically I'm gonna show you guys my wrist action and my footwork. Now, what you kind of need to understand here is that there is a slight pause in my wrist. So I'm not just kind of rotating super fast like for every single double under. There's kind of like a split second push or like a wrist snap that happens, and then I let the momentum of the rope come around. So I want you to kind of focus on my thumbs, all right? So my thumbs will press harder down towards the floor as the rope gets closer to my feet, and that's gonna give this type of slingshot around my body for the rope to have enough speed. So your wrist tech is really important when it comes to doing double unders. Now moving to my footwork, you'll see that I take off, and I naturally have a bit of a higher takeoff than most people. Like I kind of have a bit of hang time. But what I tend to do is I always keep my heels off the floor, which allows me to land, absorb the kind of bounce, or absorb the landing really nice and soft, so my knees flex a tiny bit, and then I can push off with the balls of my feet. If you let those heels come down, you're gonna have no chance of coming back up. So rewind this video, just keep an eye on that slow motion. All of it will make sense if you just keep doing that. Just keep watching this video playback and you'll see the timing and how it all works out. Hopefully those angles worked. Hopefully that helped you guys. If it did, give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you like this sort of idea of the camera angles. It really made sense in my head. I mean, it did, but I don't know when it comes to editing. Hopefully it kind of makes sense to you guys as well. So that about wraps that one up. Remember, hit the website, links down below. We have a massive sale. I'm gonna tell you the biggest sale we've ever had. We've got speed ropes for £8, guys. Our best-selling ropes at £8. I just wanna gear you up. I want to make sure that we can make our ropes as accessible as possible to as many of you, my community, my family out there around the world. Without you, none of this would be possible, and I'm truly grateful every single day for your support. And yeah, we couldn't have done this without you. Ooh, that is close. Take the zoom off that bad boy. Without further ado, guys, I'll see you in the next one. There's some fire content coming your way and some new fire merch over there in the background. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We also have our summer party, our 6th birthday party for RA right here at Fly City in 2 weeks' time. So if you're watching this and you're gonna be here, can't wait to say hello, man. So yeah, without further ado, check you in the next one, guys. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.